everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, that's what it is. That's where we're at. It's my YouTube channel. I got water on me. Today we are doing another Christmas video. This will be our third Christmas video. And today I'm going to be making a display, outdoor display cross that I'm going to light up, and I'm going to make it out of coat hangers. Why green? It could be white. However, the green was on sale. So cheap, so I had to do green. They were like, it was like, I don't know, like $2 or something for like 18 of these. I was like, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Anyways, so that's what we're going to do today. This is what it's supposed to look like. We'll see if that's what it looks like when I get done. But that's what we're doing. And I got, once again, this is the off-the-grid thing because I don't have any power. But I got these cool Christmas lights that they have. They have a whole bunch of indoor-outdoor battery-powered Christmas lights at Walmart. And I'm super excited about that because when it comes time to decorate our tree, I'm going to need these. Because like I said, they have no power. So, yeah, and these lights are pretty cool. They just have the little box, put your batteries in, and then look at these. They're so pretty. And these are going to be white. They're just going to be white. But these are really pretty. So these, I got 2 packs of these. I'm not sure if I'll need. I also got these. So I'm not sure which ones I'll use, but I feel like these are going to look really great on the cross for some reason. So these are just really pretty. I really like these. Anyway, so basically all I should need is these, my zip ties, and my lights. Now, I'm not sure, eventually this is going to be displayed outside in the yard. I'm not sure how sturdy this is going to be, so I may need to maybe like hook it to a fence post or something. Not sure, but when I get all my outdoor ornaments done, I'm going to do a video of actually decorating the yard. So then we'll find out what I'm going to have to do to actually display this. But, yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so this is the very top section of the cross. You can see you just put down 2 of these and just kind of hook their little hooky-dooky thingies up there. And then I'm just going to slide this one here. Get in there. Get in. Oh my goodness. They're like so. And that's going to be the top of the cross. So I'm going to go ahead and try and zip tie those together. Not quite sure exactly where I'm going to hook them yet, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got 3 of those top pieces put together. You see how I did each one I did differently, trying to figure out what worked the best. But this one actually looks, I think, worked the best. And what I did there was that, and then that, like that. And then I can just put the zip tie right there and it holds all of them together. So that seemed to work the best. Am I going to take those ones apart? Absolutely not. I'm not going to take them apart. But that seems to work the best. So now that I've got these 3, this is the top of the cross. So that's the very top. We're going to put that there. That there. Ta-da! See? Ugh. You see it's kind of like the cross, so I'm going to go ahead and hook those together, and then we're going to make the base. All right, I got them hooked together. I just zip tied them right here, like so. Hi, Pudge. Hi, Pudge. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to help? You want to just chew on everything? Oh, yeah? You want to just chew on everything? Well, I'm trying to work here. I'm trying to work here. Okay, say hi, Pudge. Say hi! Or just look super cute. Okay. Anyways, I got those zip tied together, so now I'm going to make the base. Okay, so I attached 2 together at the little hooks there, and then I attached them to the corner of the side arm of the cross right here like that. And then I made another one of these, like what was on the top and the sides, and I'm going to just hook it right there. And that'll be our cross. That's super easy. Now we just see if it's stiff enough to actually stand up. But I'm going to go ahead and zip tie those and see where we're at. Okay, for where I attached the base to the 2 that were up here, I actually used 2 zip ties because it was just a little bit flimsy without it. But I think I need to cut the little zip tie thing off. But that's really cute. That's super cute. So I'm excited about that. And then I'm going to try and stand it up, see how well it stands up, and if I need to do something to stiffen it or whatnot, and then we'll put lights on it. Okay, it was very, very flimsy, so I couldn't even stand it up, so I ended up putting these 2 smack in the middle. So I just zip tied this one here. You can see this was the side arm. I just zip tied that there, and I zip tied that there, and there, and that made it sturdy enough that I could stand it up. What do you think? I think it's pretty. And I don't know if it's going to be sturdy enough to put outside yet, but I mean, it's pretty sturdy. Like, it'll probably fall over, so I'll probably still have to maybe put a stake, like a fence post to hold it up or something, but it's pretty cute. Yeah, it's a little loppy jawed, but it's all right though. I think it's cute. So now I'm going to cut all those off, and then all the little zip tie thingies off, and then we'll try to put the lights on it. And voila! I have it hanging on the door because it won't stand up on its own, so I'm definitely going to have to put up a post when I actually go to hang this. But it would work really well if you were just hanging it like on the front of your house. You know, if you could just put it on wood, but I want it to be freestanding, so I'm going to have to use a post or something. But here we go. Ta-da! Look at that! Isn't it pretty? I'm pretty happy with it. So, ta-da! Like I said, I'm going to have a video where I'm going to put all of these decorations up in the yard. But I'm pretty happy with it. It's so pretty. Don't you think? I think so. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. This was a pretty fun and easy thing you could do with your kids or just you or whatever. But I think it's pretty neat.